Have you ever felt that everyone has advice on property investing, but none of it feels quite right? Maybe you've been told to buy off the plan, invest in a hot suburb, or focus on rental yields. If so, you might be more confused than before. It's exhausting, isn't it? And for many people, that confusion leads to hesitation. They wait, they overthink, and they avoid making a move because they are afraid of getting it wrong. But here's the truth. Not doing anything is also a decision, and it's a costly one. Every year you wait, the market moves on. Price rises, competition grows, and opportunities slip further out of reach. The good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. What if you had someone in your corner? Someone who understood your goals, knew the market, and made sure your decision aligned with your long-term plans. I'm Raphael. As an independent buyer's agent, I can help you. I'll cut through the confusion and help you build wealth through property. You'll do so with clarity and confidence. At 𝐻𝐻𝐻 Properties, we believe in 3 keys to success in property investing: trust, strategy, and independence. These principles aren't just buzzwords, they are how we operate every single day. And today, I'm going to share exactly how they can transform your property journey. Let's start with trust, because it's the foundation of everything we do. Without trust, how can you feel confident about the decisions you are making? At 𝐻𝐻𝐻, trust starts with transparency. We are independent. We don't take commissions or kickback from developers or sellers. Our advice is 100% focused on what's best for you. No hidden agendas, no ulterior motives. You have probably seen off the plan or house and land packages. They are marketed as stress-free or perfect for investors. And yes, there are some advantages to these options. Buyers often like customization, tax benefit, or a new low-maintenance item. For some people, these features can work. But here's the thing. The glossy marketing doesn't always tell the full story. These properties often come with risks and hidden costs that can derail your financial goals. For starters, developers typically sell off-the-plan properties at a premium. Imagine paying $700,000 for a property only to find out when it's completed that the market value has dropped to $650,000. That's not building wealth, that's taking a gamble. And then there's the location factor. Many of these properties are built in outer suburbs or newly developed areas. They may look good in a brochure, but these places often have low demand, lower rental yields, and higher vacancy rates. Established areas have strong demand and proven growth. It's clear then which option is the better long-term investment. But one of the biggest issues with off-the-plan properties is the lack of control. You are essentially buying a promise. You don't know exactly how the property will turn out, how long it will take to complete, or even if the developer will deliver on their promises. Construction delays, changes to designs, or unexpected quality issues are all too common. Let me tell you about a client who almost fell into this trap. They were ready to sign on a dotted line for an off-the-plan property in an outer suburb. On the surface, it seemed like a good deal. But when we dug deeper, we found that the area had high vacancy rates, low demand, and no proven track record for growth. We guided them to an established property in a high-demand suburb instead. Today, that property is exceeding projections. It is generating high rental income and capital growth. Now, I'm not saying off-the-plan or house and land packages are always bad, but for most investors, these options don't compare to established property in high-demand areas with proven growth. At 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿, we don't just follow trends or glossy marketing campaigns. We dig deeper. Every property we recommend is backed by a thorough research. It aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. And if you want to learn more about avoiding risky deals, stay tuned. I'll share a link to our video on due diligence at end of this one. Take financial concepts like negative gearing, for example. It's often presented as a silver bullet for investors, but it's not always the best fit for every portfolio. Negative gearing is when a property costs exceed its income. It gives you a tax advantages in the short term. But here's the bigger question. Does this strategy align with your long-term goals? That's what we help you figure out. So you are not just making decisions, you are making informed decisions. And here's another tool that often get overlooked: offset accounts. They are not just saving accounts, they are financial game changers. An offset account reduces your home loan interest. It frees up more money for future investment. It's simple and effective. We ensure every client understands as part of their strategy. At 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿, we take a strategy-first approach to property investing. It means creating a property wealth blueprint. It's a plan that maps your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once we have this blueprint, we focus on what your portfolio needs next. And here's where we stand apart. We don't just research for properties that are on the market, we buy about 85% of our properties off market. Our strong relationships with sales agents make this possible. These are properties you won't find online. They are exclusive, with less competition and better terms. For example, one of our clients was about to settle for an on-market deal they had found themselves. It looked good on paper, but it didn't align with their long-term goals. Using our off-market network and their strategy, we found a property. It had better capital growth potential and returns. Capital growth is one of the most important factors in property investing. It's the increase in a property's value over time, and it's what builds long-term wealth. But not every property delivers strong capital growth. We focus on high-demand areas with proven growth. This ensures every property you buy fits your portfolio. Finding the right property is only half the job. The other half is making sure you feel supported and informed every step of the way. Communication is at the heart of what we do. We stay in touch via emails, calls, and WhatsApp groups, so you're never left wondering what's happening. Whether it's updates on due diligence, negotiation progress, or the latest market trends, you'll always know exactly where things stand. Raphael and Kate started their journey feeling overwhelmed and unsure. They didn't know where to start or how to pick the right property. But through regular updates and support, they secured 3 properties in 8 months. They earned $219,000 in equity. That's the difference proactive communication makes. But our work doesn't stop once you've purchased a property. At 𝐵𝐻𝐻𝐿, we are here for the long haul. We regularly review your portfolio. This is to ensure your properties are performing and we are on track to meet your goals. Think of us as your property coach. Whether it's through workshops, webinars, or regular email updates, we're always here to guide you. Linda is a great example. When she first came to us, she felt completely stuck. She's been bombarded with advice. Buy in this growth suburb, focus on rental yield, leverage negative gearing, but nothing made sense for her. We created a property wealth blueprint tailored to her needs, and today she owns 3 properties worth $750,000 in equity. And she says the process was clear, stress-free, and even enjoyable. The property market is competitive and every smart decision counts. That's why having a trusted buyer's advocate or property buyer's agent is so important. We help you avoid costly mistakes. We help you assess exclusive opportunities. We help you make decisions that align with your long-term goals. So, if you are ready to build wealth through property, let's make it happen. Book a free strategy session today and we'll create a plan that's tailored just for you. Together, we'll spot unseen opportunities. We'll build a portfolio that outperforms the market, and we'll create the financial future you deserve. Thanks for watching. And as promised, if you want to learn more about avoiding mistakes with a strong due diligence process, click the video link here. It's an essential watch for anyone serious about property investing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. I'll see you in the next video.